Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to another Tequila Corner Thursday. As always, I'm your host, Mike Moreno Jr., and I'm here with Tequila aficionado, Mike Moreno Sr.
Today we're going to be talking about XO Cafe and XO Cafe Dark. It's handcrafted with ultra premium tequila, and it's something that I highly recommend. It's one of many flavored tequilas, but I chose Patron because Patron makes a high quality product, including with this XO Cafe and other flavored tequilas.
So we're just gonna try it right here and kind of compare and contrast how they taste. So we'll start off with the XO Cafe right here,
Absolutely.
and we actually always recommend that when you're drinking these tequilas, the ones that are a little more liqueur kind of flavored, to do it over the rocks.
Comes with a nice little bottle. It's made with cafe, and you can serve it any which number of ways. You can serve it with whipped cream over ice, or just over ice. Tastes delicious, and you can do any number of things. But look at the dark color. It just looks like coffee. And this is over ice. And over ice, you can also do whipped cream with it. And
Yeah, it's pretty, a little thick, kind of like a liqueur, definitely dark, and you could smell the Patron in there along with a little bit of the cafe flavoring. It smells pretty good, actually.
it tastes awesome over the rocks.
Wow, that's incredibly smooth, and actually the coffee flavor is a good finishing with the Patron. So you taste the Patron immediately right when you try this, and then at the end you get a really deep kind of dark coffee flavor to it,
And
which tastes amazing.
absolutely does. And you can enjoy this for dessert or just chit-chatting with your friends. This can easily go down very smooth. It's actually delicious. When Patron first came out with XO Cafe, it did so well with it that they tried something just a little bit different. They came out with XO Cafe Coco, which the Aztecs have been using chocolate for centuries in their cuisines and for different medicinal purposes, and especially for taste. And this one is comes from the Tabasco region of chocolate criollo, and it comes from Tabasco, Mexico. And this one has probably the same rich color as the other one. And the same thing. This is XO Cafe with chocolate. So it's XO Cafe Dark Cocoa. And this one, if you'd like, if you want to get the whipped cream.
Yeah, actually, we thought that this one, simply because with the chocolate and everything, that it would taste pretty well with a little bit of liqueur whipped. So this is also actually an alcoholic whipped cream, but let's just pour a little bit in there, kind of see how that tastes. By the way, the smell in this one seems to be a little stronger. I feel like I can smell the Patron just a little more in here. And let's just see how this tastes right here.
It's also handcrafted with the same ultra premium tequilas that Patron makes.
Wow.
Oh,
So,
delicious.
yeah, actually that liqueur with cream really helped.
Yeah, made it even better. It makes a wonderful cocktail. You can also enjoy it on the rocks, but there's many recipes, a couple recipes probably per bottle that you can try. And if you just want to enjoy it by itself, by all means, it's an excellent coffee liqueur. There are many different coffee liqueurs out there. Tequila makes a wonderful coffee drink. There's other flavors. There's almendrados. I chose Patron because they handcrafted just perfect and it's delicious.
Yeah, and actually, if you were to compare this to the cafe, it does have some of the similar notes to it. It tastes not extremely different, but you could definitely get that hint of cocoa at the end. The cafe is not as strong, so if you don't like a really heavy coffee flavoring to it, the XO Cafe Dark is actually pretty good. I really enjoy this one. And actually, the XO Cafe, like I said, was also really good. But then again, I like my dark roast coffees. But yeah, it was pretty good. I appreciate you giving us a little tour on the Patron XO Cafe along with the Patron XO Cafe Dark. And yeah, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You could also find us on Facebook and Twitter.com. And on that note, I guess we're going to be signing off. Thanks a lot, you guys.
Cheers. Cheers.